Thank you.
Hi, Ashley. This is your mom. This is an investment that you will treasure and will be with you for the rest of your life. I'm very proud of you for your accomplishment. I wish you the very best in whatever you decided to do from here on out. I love you and congratulations on your Bachelor in Radiology. Nhớ rằng nụ nọ của tuần thai là do Kawm cơ thia ít a hô lử lử. Nê cơ thia nê đại Bachelor là do blog chồng nê cha hô lử yo lo song phai pha nê cha hô lử thầu lùi ít lì óp hà nê go blog. Lúc đầu lì óp hà nê go blog nó sư nê yo bi nê cha hô lử. Cú trong xia hai tia nê cơ thia ít a hô lử. Yo ba nê lu nâng mù lử ya toàn tê.
You're in an enviable place right now. I refer to your age as the idealistic years in my life. It was a period when I wrote poetry to express my deep feelings. Allow me to challenge you today. How will you define success for your unique career journey? Now's the time to decide while you are free to dream, when you're without distraction and complications. You will be among those who achieve great things and make huge and lasting contributions. Peace will be yours to own.
And now will all of the candidates please rise? By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Commonwealth of Kentucky through the Board of Regents of Northern Kentucky University, I confer upon you the degree for which you have been recommended by the faculty. I now declare you a graduate of Northern Kentucky University. Bachelor degree graduates, you may now...
Ashley Minu Valentino. Diana Vargas Cruz, cum laude. Luke Andrew Worth. Emily Wedding. Sierra Nicole Young, cum laude.
I don't have that.
Yeah.
What's it
It's
called?
5 minutes down the street. M-A-K-I.
I've already looked at it.
Asian
I
bowl.
found it.
M-A-K-I. Yeah, Asian bowl. Okay.
Okay, we'll see you guys there.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you guys there.
Let's see what you have in your outfit, Ashley.
Okay.
What'd you say, Mom?